Welcome back to Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn medical and doctor visit words. Symptom. Alamat. Bimari ki nishani. For example, fever is a common symptom of flu. Diagnosis. Tashkhis. Bimari ki pehchan. For example, the doctor gave a clear diagnosis. Prescription. Nuskha. Dawa ki parchi. For example, he gave me a prescription for antibiotics. Appointment. Mulaqat ka waqt. For example, I have a doctor's appointment at 5. Recovery. Sehetyabi. For example, her recovery was quick after the surgery. Checkup. Muaina. Janch. For example, I go for a checkup every 6 months. Treatment. Ilaj. For example, the treatment helped him feel better. Vaccination. Hifazati tika. For example, vaccination protects against many diseases. अब बताएं, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते वक्त कैसा महसूस करते हैं? ऐसी ही वीडियोस के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें।